Hi, this is the Honor. Hi, this is the Honor Pad X9, and I'll show you how to turn on always on display option on this device. So first we should open this Play Store application, and in the search bar we should enter the Muviz Edge. So now we should get this application. That's why tap the install button and wait a couple of seconds. So after that, just tap to open the app, click to draw over apps. And here find Muviz Edge application, tap on the switcher and go back to the application. Here just tap to AOD section and select one from the available tabs, tap to apply. Now let's just lock the device. And we could see that the AOD option successfully enabled. That's it, thank you for watching, and if you like this video, leave thumbs up and subscribe.